So I got a WhatsApp message from someone requesting that I make green pin-ups for her for this Sunday for 12 of them, and I put on my creative cap and I started designing. It wasn't just coming out right. I was wondering why. I just figured it out. I didn't involve the Holy Spirit. I was just trying to it's well, don't make this mistake. So I had to return back to my previous design. This I call the double kinachi design. And this is me packaging it now. You need to get to know that if you're going to be covering the back, for those of you who have attended the class, you make use of uhu gum. It sticks perfectly well. But for the stones here, you make use of B6000. I made use of pearls. I brought it out from buttons anyway, but pearls. But once you make use of pearls, you use your B6000. Stones, pearls, B6000. So this is the way you package them so that they look nice, neat, and classy. Keep watching and learning. Now, just in case you haven't attended Brooch Class 1, this class is in the Craft Academy and it is explicit. Trust me, once you finish going through it, you'll be able to make your own design. And it's not only used for brooches, you can use it as flowers on your hats, on your turbans, on your clothes. You can use it as lapels, a lot of things. And right now, actually, we have 3 slots available for free. You just have to go through some things. There are some terms and conditions which you find out when you get to the Craft Academy, but it's very easy and it's open for just today. Yeah, it ends today. So please do hurry up. So the first 3 people to follow what you're meant to do to get the free class, you get it, and the others, you make payments. And it's not only this that you get to learn, you get to learn 5 other different designs. And trust me, you'll be glad you did. So till we meet next time, yes, goodbye and God bless. Check out this next video.